fuck me by the end of this stream, then you're not having a good time. Fuck me by the end of this stream, then you're not having a good time.
sorry, fill my wounds up with salt. Please make me feel anything at all.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh fuck yeah. What's up, everybody? I'm gonna leave this music going a little bit. Actually, I might adjust it. Down, down, down. What's up, Aquarium Soul? What's going on, man? Hope you're doing amazing tonight. Dun, 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 dun. I think I can use Forever Nothing. Right? Yeah. Alright, we'll play that next then. I'm gonna have to, like, because there's no game music, obviously, right? So I'll have to see what we can come up with. Anyway, we're gonna do some programming tonight. Programming tonight. We're back grabbing a brew. Hell yeah, man. Speaking of brews, tonight, Uinta Caravan Double IPA to start. Working my way through them. God, they're so good though. Holy shit. Yeah, so Sacor wanted some dumbass app. I don't know, some stupid ass idea. So we're gonna do that for him. And the interesting part is hold on. I'd like to see a better idea, you fucking cock. Jesus, what's your deal? Here's a better idea. Facebook. Duh. Stupid. Fucking Jesus Christ, this guy. This is a guy I'm making an app for? Jesus fucking Christ. I got some notes. So I gotta pull up my notes for me. Because I have some ideas on how we're gonna do this shit. Does for me. Facebook app, what the hell are we doing? Yes. Okay, so let's fucking get started. And the way that I like to get started most times when I'm doing like a new app is trying to do like the framework first so that we have a good idea of like what it's gonna look like, how many pages we're gonna have. I think this one's gonna be pretty damn straightforward. There's some unknowns, but I think we'll figure it out just fine. Like in the case of this app that we're gonna do. Anyway, so I kind of want to sketch it out first before we do anything else. Let's see. Oh shit, I fucked everything up. Oh god, not like this. There we go. Anyway, I want to sketch it out. Sketch pad, maybe? Is that a thing? I've used that before. Oh, not that. Jesus fucking Christ, not that. Sketchio. What? That is fucking what? The thing? What? What? Where am I? Alright, this'll work. Can I resize this bitch? Okay, cool. Yeah, I want to sketch it out. Just to get an idea of, like, what pages... I don't want that. Let's see. This is hard to maintain, by the way. I've never done a programming stream before, and there's just a lot going on at the same time. So, what I want is to figure out what pages we need in the app. So, the app is this. Now, Sacor, if you're around, correct me if I'm wrong so that we don't, you know, fuck this up immediately. Sketch me out next, please. Yeah, you got it. You got live studio on, so don't fuck it up. I don't give a shit. Oh, and I can blame the alcohol if my code is garbage. Ha, got him. Too easy. Cloudmoz and I are in the same room, so ask us both questions. You got it. So this is the idea, is that we have a screen that lets you add buttons to it. And what those buttons do, they're custom commands that sends out to Google Assistant on the same device. And so basically you type in the custom command, you save it to a button, and then you can pull up this app, hit the button, because it saves it obviously, and then it does the call out to the Google Assistant to do whatever action or whatever command, whatever text command you gave it. And so there's a couple of ideas that come to mind immediately. I'm thinking we probably want like a recycler view, but maybe I'll just build the layouts programmatically instead. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. So hopefully that's about right, Sacor. Can I adjust this shit? Like, what the fuck is this fucking garbage ass fucking garbage, man? Crop and fucking resize, you fucking whore. Height. Width. Height, we're gonna go double that. We're gonna slim that bitch down. Cool. Jesus fuck. Jesus fucking Christ. Don't try to zoom out on this shit garbage. Alright. Hold on. Got him. Nope, don't care. Alright. I want to draw. I need a fat pencil though. Crayon? That's fine. Oh hell yeah, that's perfect. Alright. So, app bar. I don't know what to call this. I called it in my repo the assistant helper, which I thought was kind of funny. Which, whatever. Like, we can go with that, we can call it something else, doesn't matter. So, we're gonna call it the ass helper. Yeah, I hope you like that. Okay. Sacor making dinner, Gamba, providing the entertainment. This is what living like a king must feel like. Identical, actually. Wow, dude. You're Cloud Monster, you're the luckiest guy in the world. Alright. Now, I think I want to do like a settings cog over here. But I'm trying to think... What settings do we need? Alright, so let's think of it this way. If we have a grid here... This is an invisible grid, right? Oh, we could use a grid layout probably, but I want to add things to this programmatically, so yeah, that would work. So we have a button here. I don't know what kind of interactions Sacor is wanting exactly. Anyway, so this would just spin up as many buttons as you want, and then the settings might be the way to handle the rest. What if I do this? God damn it, I hate this. Give me that back, please. There we go. So that would be the first screen. So the settings screen... I feel like the settings would be another activity or fragment, maybe. I don't know. And then this would have a back arrow, yeah. And probably a save button. Save. Settings would essentially take you into build mode where you can remove or add buttons. No need for edit unless it's easy. Yeah, I bet it would be easy. Long press could be edit. So I'm gonna write that down. Long press to edit buttons. Existing buttons. However, that's the question, because like that could pull up the edit just fine, like a long press. That's not ideal, but the settings itself, this could just be like a list of each button. So build out like each button in this list, like in a list view or recycler view. So then this would say, Jesus Christ, I don't even know, like, these would have like a title, I'm guessing. So this would be, turn TV on. Is that a good one? Or, turn light on. Whatever. at first glance, we probably need like a light off, or we could make these like, could be an option for it to be like a toggle button maybe. Let's add another. I'm not sure about the settings right now, because like if we have a fab in the corner that's like add a button onto the screen, then that's not bad, because that could pop up a modal, or it could just, yeah, probably a modal. Then when we save the modal, we would save it back to this. Let's grab some more real estate. Another 800 is what? 2400? Fuck you. Let me drag. Just want to scroll over, bro. So the modal that pops up. So this would be the ass helper. This would be the cog. Looks like a nipple. So the modal would pop up, right? And it would say title. Title with an I, of course. Description. I don't know if we even need, like, that might be overkill. Command for sure. Right? Because you have to type in your command. In fact, that's probably like a text field. Text box, I mean. Text area. What else would it need? I have notes for this. Like a color? Color? Color. And that could either be like a drop down, or maybe it could be like a... I mean, a color picker would be cool as fuck, right? But there's probably a library for that as well. I don't know. We'll think about it. Or it could just be a hex value. That'd be even easier, right? So in that case... number. Oof. That's a number sign. I swear to God, that's a number sign. You gotta just trust me. Okay. So we got oaf, which is one of my favorite colors. And then you could tell it to toggle, but the problem with toggle is it's gonna have to parse a string that way, so I don't like that initially. And then save. I was thinking for the buttons, or for the content here. Hold on. I was thinking the content here would, like, obviously would have the title. This is for removal, so maybe that's wrong. If we long press this to edit, we can edit with a delete button as well. Alright, so the modal that pops up would be the same but populated, and then we would also have like a remove, yeah? This diagram is beautiful. Look at, can we publish an app that looks exactly like it? God, I mean, it wouldn't be easy, but yes. In fact, it'd be kind of a nightmare, but... Alright, so I'm not sold on the settings still, because I don't think we need that. I think we can do everything on a single activity, just for simplicity's sake. Although, maybe we have this as, so this takes us forward to a new screen maybe. I think I like that better. And then the long press is only for edit or delete, and the edit takes us back here. Okay. It's funny, that might actually be more complicated and make it look like shit than anything else. Isn't that funny? I can make it look like shit. I can't make it look like... Well, I could make it look like this, but it would be really hard. Keep it simple, stupid? What the fuck did you just call me, Cloud Mazda? You son of a bitch. I can't even believe you. I am pretty fucking offended right now. Like, I'm just gonna close the stream. This is fucking bullshit, dude. Why would you fucking say that? God, man. Alright, so... Let's see... Alright, I need my notes. I think I'm gonna hold on to this. Like I said, I think we can get by with just the 2. Hold on. Fuck off, you fucking whore.
Drink up, bitch.
Oh my god, this is gonna end well. Oh god. So good. So good and tasty. I wonder if you can hear this. Oh, I don't have so good and tasty in here. Fuck. Never mind. Alright. So this gets us closer. Helps ease the pain, yep. Helps keep my mind straight, you know. Wow, I did not mean that in, you know, a sexual way. I meant that. Okay, never mind. Let's just move on. Okay, so this is what's gonna help us dictate what kind of activity we want. Because, like, we can get a fab for free, and I think we're just gonna have a fab on it, right? So why not get it for free, you know? We're gonna call this the assistant. Oh, oops. Assistant helper. And location's gonna be in a Git repo I already made and cloned. Damn it. I need a new folder in there. Don't nest your folders if you can help it, but I'm gonna deal with it. Okay. Kotlin for sure. So the API level. Oh, I guess this is a good call out if you're new to software development or Android development even. Then the API level.
Drink up, bitch.
Fucking Cloud Monster. How do you even have 700? You piece of shit. Shenanigans are going on, I think. Ugh. It's not a good chugging beer. Oh, that's a 10% beer. All right, we're gonna get work done. Get stop drinking on the job. I literally drink on this job every time I work. Well, all right, not every time, but most times. Okay, so the API level determines what devices are available, or sorry, what OS level your app is available to. So 24 is nice because API 24 gives you a lot of like higher level features, like Java 8 features, for instance, streams and lambdas. So 24 is a very nice, like, if you can help it, don't go lower than 24, even though you can see that 23 hits 84.9% of all devices, and 24 is only 73.7% of all devices. But the problem is you have to support really old OSs, you have to support really old features, you don't get to use cool new features. In fact, there are really that many people using old ass Android? Yes. And let me explain why. Why the fuck would they do that? Well, because they live in third world countries and they don't have access to devices that support higher level OSs, or they don't have much network access, right? Network is actually very expensive everywhere else in the world, practically. So if you're making this for someone like in a third world country, exactly, this app doesn't cater to the poor. You're right. So what OS is sacor on? Probably 30? Damn, that is depressing as fuck though. Look at that, less than 1% of all devices. I think we can get by just fine with 26. There's some nice features in 26, so I think we're gonna set that. There's also a support libraries checklist, but that's not necessary, so we're not gonna worry about that. We're probably gonna use the Android X libraries. Gunbutler supports suppression on the lower class confirmed. Yes, I was confirming that by the way I said that. Whoops. Oh, so good, dude. Holy shit. Why do I have so many fucking bots following me lately? Jesus fucking Christ, dude. Fuck off, bots. Piece of shit. Alright. Now, I have an app here, and it builds out too much initially, okay? So it gives you way too much. In fact, it gives me fragments. I don't even want to use fragments. I was just going to use activities because I only have 2, and I wanted to play with the new navigation system. So let's go through this. Oh, you can't even fucking see it, dude. Jeez, is that like small as fuck? You can't even read that. Right? Fucking let's zoom. Oh, that fuck genius. Control equals to zoom in. Didn't work. You would think that would work. It literally said it would work. I don't have numpad. Fuck you. I could hear the pain in that one. Actually, it's funny, a lot of people say that Kotlin is really fun to program. It's even the name of the methods. Ha. Get it? Stupid. How the fuck do I zoom? I mean, I can change the appearance, that's probably good enough. Presentation mode? Yo, that's cool. Although I need to see everything else. How do I get out of this shit? The fuck was that, guys? Let's get out. What the shit, dude? What did I do? Oh god, why? Oh, view. Oh god, let's exit. Okay. So let's look at the project first. In fact, isn't there like a fucking magnifier or some shit in this? Oh, does what's it called? Power Tools have a magnifier? Let's look. Image Resizer, Fancy Zones, Color Picture. Power Tools run. I know there's one built in, but it's pretty garbage, isn't it? Ugh, fuck off. I don't even know if you can see anything because I couldn't even see the screen. Whatever, so we're gonna go through this anyway. Jesus fucking Christ, dude. I really just want to change the goddamn settings. Where the fuck is the tools settings, probably? I can see it. We have it on the TV. Fucking clones. Okay, so that's a shame. I can increase the size of this for sure, though. That's just in the settings, actually. How do you get in the fucking settings, though? Jesus Christ, where's the fucking settings? There it is. Let's go font size your mom. I really just wanted the fucking font size. 24, baby! Oh god. Oh hey, this is working. 36. It's too much. Oh, he's gone too far! It's not even working! What the fuck's going on? I made a mistake. Oh, Jesus, man. Fucking why? Oh my god, why? Yeah, it's not increasing. What in the hell? Okay, that's... It must be another setting I fucked up. Oh, editor, son of a bitch. Got it. God, man. It should be in here. Code editing. Let's search. There we go, motherfuckers. Size, we're gonna say, what was it, 36? That's better. Just to make it easier. Are you fucking... Are you fucking kidding me? Oh shit, oh. Timo's whining, oh. Change font size with control mouse wheel, that's what I fucking want. Jesus, there we go, alright. Let's go back over here, you can't even see this though, hold on. He's so sad. Alright. Well, for instance, if this is your first Android project, you're going to see a bunch of shit that you didn't know existed. So, first off, there's the Android manifest file. So, in this, you establish your package name. There's application-specific details. For instance, the launcher icon, label, round icon supports RTL theme, theme is like color theme, right? And you also have to register every activity, which we'll get to that. Every activity is basically every page. There's another style of doing pages in Android. There's a difference between activities. So you could have multiple activities, which are pages basically. Or you can have a single activity. Fucking Kotlin new fucking version. Or you can have a single activity and you can have what's called fragments that are inside, layered on top of the activity. And then you switch between the fragments. I used to think that fragments were better, and apparently that's not the case. Like, you can do whichever way you want. There's no real, I don't know, it's just preference, I guess, which is kind of interesting. Anyway, so you establish what activities are in your app, and there's different details like the name. This correlates exactly to the file. Thank you for fucking changing that everywhere, you fucking garbage ass piece of fucking garbage bullshit. Anyway. Most of this is auto-generated, and most of it you also don't need to worry about. Intent filters are used mostly for deep linking, so if you want URLs to go into your app, then you would set an intent filter for that. And an intent is basically the concept of wanting to start an activity, right? So there's different entry points for intents. Yeah, it shows a few. So there's a lot that you're not going to use until you need to use it. But yeah, there's just a lot to it. This one is our main entry point, so obviously that's what we want. You also put permissions inside this. Oh my god, I fucking love this song, dude. So you put permission support inside this file. So if you need internet access, which in this case we absolutely do, then you have to add it here as a permission. And I think you have to add it at the activity level, or sorry, application level. This is XML. That's going to be a theme throughout Android because all the views are done in XML. What's it talking about? Permission. I have to look this up every fucking time, man. I don't know why they just don't put it by default. There it is. And it is not at the application level, I don't think. Fucking why? Why? So it should be up here. There you go. Uses permission internet, because this will be calling out to the Google Assistant. Actually, let me... May need something else, but I don't think so. Now, I haven't even tested the code that talks out to the Google Assistant, so that'll be fun. Okay, then we have our Java directory, which isn't necessarily Java files. For instance, all of these are Kotlin files, which is fine. That's just the style of the folders, right? And then there's your package, which is com dot whatever your domain is, dot whatever your app name is, and this correlates to the package in the manifest. Then you have these, which are test folders. So you have an instrumented test and a unit test folder. They want to encourage you to actually write tests, right? Instrumented test is, I believe that's for automated UI tests, and then unit tests are obviously unit tests. So for a unit of code. We are probably not gonna write tests tonight. Sorry. Whoops. Then you have the resource folder, and we're good. So that has drawables, which are images. In this case, this is the background for the launcher. This is the foreground for the launcher. Then you have layouts, which we're gonna do a lot of. We're gonna write solid software without tests. Yeah, I don't want to talk about it. Okay, so now you can see what the fragment looks like. So this is what our first fragment looks like, which, whatever. Oh fuck, it gave us navigation. Fuck yeah, all right. So we're not gonna have to look into that. Cool. Anyway, so this gives us a view of what our app is gonna look like, right? At like a simple glance, because this could change. Like there could be like components that are reliant on different data, and so they're not going to look exactly right in this view. This is just the HTML side, basically, which is XML, if you're used to web development. This is your HTML, for example. You can see we have a coordinator layout, which I'm gonna fucking change because I don't know how to use coordinator layout. We have an app bar layout. Perfect, that's fine, we'll leave that there. With a toolbar inside it, the toolbar is what gives us the access to the title, I believe, and the settings menu. And it's probably pulling that into code already. Yeah, it's pulling up the toolbar already. So it's setting support action bar sets the toolbar as the Android accepted toolbar, basically. Ooh, okay, nav controller, we're getting to that. Let's not get ahead. Hold on. I'm so excited for the navigation. Alright, so we have the toolbar inside the app bar layout. Then we have this thing called an include, and it's including this layout inside the layout. And so basically what that means, let's go to split view. It's putting this file, which is content main, and it's plugging it into this as a variable, basically, right? So you can reuse components that way if you want to. I don't usually do that often, because, I don't know, I don't really need to often. And if you're using activities, or even like, if it's a simple ass app, then you don't really need to worry about that too much. You can just put your components right there. So we'll probably rip a lot of this out. Then we have our floating action button element. It's fully qualified because it's a specific material flavor floating action button. Include is essentially the same functionality as using statements in C#. No. So I think there's not much of a correlation between the two, just because this is UI based. An include would be, well, so it's just plugging in this component. I could explain it in Flutter. So in Flutter, it's a separate widget. Content main is a separate widget, right? It has its own data, as you can see, right? As the hello first fragment and the next. If you come back here, if I get rid of this, the hello first fragment and the next are gonna go away, right? That's a component now, or a widget. So, does that make sense? And then I'm going to put that back for now. But yeah, so the floating action button is a material themed floating action button, which makes it look prettier for the most part. It already has an ID and everything, gravity, margin, which is fine. That makes sense, thank you. Yep. We are gonna change the source, which the source is the icon, basically. Obviously, we don't want it to be a fucking email icon. That's fucking stupid. So whatever. Struggling with chat right now. Whatever, it doesn't matter. So that's our activity main, as you can see. These are layout files, so this is all your views, right? This is a second fragment. Oh my god, this is a great app. Let's run this shit, shall we? While we're waiting. So menu is the settings menu, the triple dot menu. And so you can add items to the settings menu, and then you can access them as components and give them actions inside your Java or Kotlin code. We are not going to be doing any Java this night because gross. Just kidding, Java's fine, but I'd rather use Kotlin. Nice. Oh my god, it doesn't like dark mode very much. So this is the app out of the box. Here's your settings that doesn't do shit. God, this is fucking horrible for dark mode. Replace with your own action. Replace with your own action. Hit next. Hit previous. So this is navigating from fragment to fragment right now. You can see there's a back button as well, and we'll address how to do that in the new navigation code. We're gonna rip out a lot of this, and we're probably gonna force. I don't want to force. Maybe I will force dark mode. I don't know. We're gonna at least make it look okay in dark mode, if we can figure that out, because that's a little tricky. Alright, MIP map folder. That holds our icons. So this is the launcher icon, for instance. It's the default launcher icon. It's dumb, you can replace it and should. And then there's a round version as well, depending on what... actually, this shouldn't be used anymore. Dark mode toggle or bust, yeah, for real. Or force dark mode, because you know what? People should be using dark mode. Fuck everyone. What's up, Krogig? What's going on, dude? Let's just stop by. This is the old way of doing launcher icons, so that's kind of weird. I wonder why they still have that. Oh, it is adaptive. Never mind. Okay, so you can choose various different shapes for your app icons in Android. And so the adaptive icons rely on the foreground and the background that we saw earlier, right? Here's the foreground, here's the background. And so that it'll shape this correctly depending on how you use it, or how you have it set up in your OS. I don't use default dark mode. Fuck off, Sacor, you piece of shit. Person you're building the app for doesn't use dark mode. Fuck that idiot, dude. We're putting this dark mode only then, bitch. Still working Cypress script. Won't work to save my fucking life. That sucks, dude. I feel like I'm pretty sure we have Cypress scripting as well. Oh, that sucks, man. If I knew enough about it, I would definitely try to help. But yeah, pass. More of an Android guy myself. Okay, this is the part that I'm super excited about. Why does it keep doing that? So this is the new Android architecture component built around navigation. Oh, man, I keep on to go to the Gradle file, but we'll wait. So this navigation graph is what they call it. And I'm gonna look at just the code right now. You can kind of get a gist of what it does based on the design. You're basically saying you're setting up, would you please fucking zoom the right way? So you're setting up the order of progression throughout your app, right? And so if you hit the next button, you can see that this goes to this fragment, right? All good, I think I'm going to redesign my delete confirmations to not hate the DOM. Nice. God, dude. I fucking hate web development, I'm so sorry. So you can see there's the home icon next to our first fragment. We're gonna get rid of these fragments, so I'm not gonna get into this too much because we're gonna have to do it later. Cool. But you can see the next button, basically, and not necessarily the button, but you'll see that in a minute. This page is gonna navigate to this second page, and I don't know why the fuck it's over there. That's stupid as hell. I like structuring it in the order that it's gonna go. So for instance, first fragment on the left. And so this goes to the second fragment, which you can see takes you back to the first fragment. The buttons are what ties that together, but now if we look at the code side, it's way more intelligible in my opinion. You have your start destination, obviously the first fragment, right? Which we're gonna change the first activity. And then you have this fragment, which has first fragment, a label, which I don't know if the label matters very much. The ID certainly matters, but I don't know if the label does. Anyway, this is a tools action, so this is just for developer tool usage, so you don't need to worry about that. The action is what matters most. So you have this ID, which tells you what the action is that you want to do, and that's what you'll use later. So in fact, I don't even think this matters as much, except as a destination. This is what you're going to use in your code, like in your Kotlin code, for instance, right? Because this is XML. So this action is what you're going to call to navigate from the first fragment, obviously, you can see, to the second fragment. And the destination is obviously the second fragment, which is also in this file. Here's your fragment for the second fragment.
You're doing
what?
using your imagination, Peter.
You're doing it, Peter!
Peter, you're doing it, Peter. Look, you're doing it. See?
Love it, dude. So this is the second fragment. God, can I actually get rid of these labels? Like, yeah, I don't think you need a label. Yeah, I thought so. Which specifies this action, which is second fragment to first fragment. So it goes back to the first fragment. And so this is the new Google library for navigation. Right now, navigation is however the fuck you want to do it. So you can set it up however the fuck you want to do it. Or they have now provided this, you know, nice framework for us to use. So that's a nav graph. That's brand new. Then there's also these values. So it gives you colors out of the box, which you're probably just going to add your own or remove those. Dimensions, which, wow, I'm surprised they add this now. Huh. I don't think they used to add this by default. Oh shit, we ran out. Fuck, dude. No more Dan Mason? Shit, dude. Finding music is a nightmare now. Fucking Twitch, piece of shit. Alright. Play next. Cool. Don't want to get DMCA'd, motherfuckers. Alright. So this is our strings. This is basically you have all your strings in a single file so that you can translate it for localization, and then that's how the OS accesses that as well. Let's close some more of this. And then the themes files. So there are two. Let's see. And they specify different theme names. And so this is basically how you're determining what, if you're like light mode or dark mode, then you would have a different file, or you'd have different data in each file. Song's sick, dude. Fuck. So this is the night theme. This is the light theme. But right now they're the same. Wait, are they? They don't look the same. So the no action bar, so in the Android manifest, it shows what theme you're using, right? So we're using style theme assistant helper. There's two. There's the regular themes XML and there's the night themes XML, so that's your dark mode. For now, we're just gonna ignore that. We're gonna worry about that in a minute because it's gonna come up pretty quick, but there are your themes files, and that's it for the resources that you need to worry about. There's also, this is probably the most important that you're going to use constantly. So this Android app is built on the build system called Gradle. A lot of other Android apps are using Maven, which is a traditionally Java build system. But Gradle is the new and best build system, in my opinion. It's obviously new. That's not an opinion, but I think it's the best. So you have your compile version, which we already... oh, we didn't go over that. Okay, so compile version is basically the API level that you want to compile to. So you want to support API level 31, but your minimum is API level 26, right? So your target's 31. This is what it compiles at. This is what you want to target, which means that that's what you're going to allow in the App Store. Then you have your version code, which is very critical, and version name, which is less critical. Version code is what Google Play Store looks for to determine if you can upload the next version of the app. You also have your test instrumentation runner. We're gonna get rid of that because we really just don't. We're not gonna do tests, man. I'm sorry. And then you have to sync your Gradle file after you make changes to it, and that basically forces a rebuild. Build types, so release versus staging versus dev, debug, etc., right? You can specify different parameters based on the build type that you care about. Compile options, Java 8 is our Java version that we want to compile with. For those of you that don't know, we use Kotlin. However, Kotlin uses the JVM, the Java Virtual Machine, and so it has to have a version of Java because Kotlin compiles down to Java bytecode in the end, and that's how it runs on the JVM. It's just easier to write. It's an abstraction layer so that you can run stuff better. View binding. Yes. Fucking love view binding. Fuck yeah. So this is a new library that we could probably find in here. Is that out of the box? How? Okay, that's surprising. So view binding is a new feature. Huh. Still want to hear context? Yes, I am. Currently. Fuck, dude. I thought you had to pull that in. I guess not. So Compose and Android Jetpack is what it's called. Yeah, I thought we had to pull that in. That's super weird. Android X Core, does that have the Compose stuff? It gives the navigation. Whatever. So view binding is a new feature as well. I don't have a good example, but we'll absolutely find it. That didn't seem like a happy employee. I don't want to talk about it. I'm fine, dude. What do you mean? Hold on, I really need another beer right now for no particular reason. What? Alrighty. If my boss is watching right now, dude, I fucking love my job, dude. I'm so fucking stoked on my job, man. Hell yeah. Let's go. Fucking let's go. Alright. So, I know a friendemic company hiring. Ooh, shit, dude. What? That sounds nice. What? I mean, not that I'm looking. Hey, do you want to DM me? You know, just whatever. Just chat, you know. Anyway, hold on. Alright, so the Android X libraries moved to Illinois? What the fuck, dude? Jesus, why? I hope you're in like Chicago or something, because anywhere else seems like it would suck ass. That's crazy, dude. But also fucking awesome, man. Love to get the fuck out of the state, that's for sure. 5 hours away from Chicago. God damn it, dude, what the fuck? Okay, so your dependencies are the third-party libraries. Oh, fucking God, Jesus, man. The third-party libraries that you want to pull in, basically. 2 hours away from St. Louis, Missouri. Jesus, man. That's crazy, man. That's awesome, though. Josh watching this stream would be a modern marvel. Well, the second I say the fuck word, I think he might rethink his being his watching the stream, you know. Which is fine. That's fine. If someone clips this and sends it to Josh, that's fine. Megan, yeah, exactly. Anyway, your dependencies are third-party libraries that you want to pull in. Not necessarily third-party, because obviously there's Google Android libraries, which are not third-party, but they are dependencies. They're not built into Android. So, this is where you add in the shit that you really want to add. For instance, Constraint Layout, they have that as a third-party dependency, which... Okay. Flipped an email, thanks a lot. Cloud Monster, I really appreciate that. Alright, I'm starting the timer now, fucker. Alright, timer's up. Freaking Zach, dude. Okay, so Constraint Layout, we saw that earlier in our layout file, we don't care about that, but we'll leave it for now, it doesn't matter. The navigation stuff is what's really interesting, like that's how we get the nav graph, that's how we get the new flavor of navigation in Android. And so that stuff is really cool, so I'm definitely going to keep that. We also have some other stuff I want to add, but I don't know if we're going to have a way to use it. It's such a simple app, I don't think there's a way to use it. The data binding we're definitely going to use, so that and the navigation we're going to use. The other things I wanted to use are live data, which is another library, and view model, which is another library. But I don't think there's much of a use case in this. Okay, hold on. Let me press. Okay, so I think that's basically the structure of everything that we want to go over. And I think we can actually start coding now. An hour into the stream. So let's go back to the main activity to start. And let's go back to the main activity view. So here's our view, which I don't particularly care to have any of these fragments. So we're going to just... Oh, you know what? That's another thing I always want to do at the start of a project. Is I like to get the started state of it and commit it as an initial commit, so I have a starting point in my Git repository. So I am currently in this. I don't know if you can see this at all, but it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna add everything. Yep, different freaking line endings, of course. Initial commit. Push origin main. And it needs my passphrase. Alright. So now we have a starting point that we can revert to whenever we need to if we break something, which is probably not going to happen, but probably going to happen regularly outside of this app. Safe delete, we don't really care about safe deleting because we're going to have to edit stuff anyway. I'm also going to delete these packages because we're not going to do any tests and it's just cluttering up my view a little bit. Okay. Now it's certainly not going to build because we removed files that it cared about. So let's delete some more. No test gas. Okay, hang on. Hang on. In any personal projects anyone's ever done, how often do you write tests? I'm not going to say I never write tests for my personal projects, but I rarely write tests for my personal projects. If you're the sole contributor, then it's on you, right? Sometimes I really do want to test. Like, sometimes if I have a complex method, I really do want to write a unit test, and so I'll pull it back in, which is easy, so it's not that big a deal, especially with like JUnit and stuff like that. So, but yeah, how often in your personal projects do you care at all about writing tests? Just saying. Let's hear it. Don't you dare lie to me. Can't even swear right now. Freaking sacor. Alright, so let's see. We don't need our manifest for probably anything else. I don't know if Google Assistant requires permissions at all, so... QA guy always, shut up. Actually, you might be right. Because I got a coworker who is the QA manager, and anytime I've coded with him, he has always written tests first. So you're probably right. But we're not going to do that for this. I also want to get rid of this include. Oh, it has our nav host fragment though. TDD baby, exactly. I might just steal this. I'm gonna steal this and put it in our main activity. So this is how you tie up the system to the nav host nav graph entirely. And so this is how you specify. Oh man, I don't want this ID though. Where's my nav graph? I need to look at my nav graph. Okay, yeah, all these are dead because I got rid of the fragments, right? Actually, can you specify activity in here?
Drink up, bitch.
Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Woo! That is sour.
Drink up, bitch.
Oh my. You guys are trying to kill me? Code quality is gonna be garbage. I gotta write tests now. Oh, hell. Dude, it was a great success. Really happy for you, man. Holy shit. Alright. So we're gonna get rid of... Actually, I'm just gonna rewrite this real quick, because we want an activity here for sure. And then the layout, I don't give a shit about. Oh, you know what? Maybe I do. Fuck. Let's do activity main, and this is our main activity. I don't know why they name it that way. It's so annoying. And then let's go to our strings file, because there's nothing in here we want, except possibly the app name. Fragment, next previous, don't give a shit. We're probably going to add more of that later, but not now. And the label is... Oh, fuck. Main activity. This ID is only accessed here, I think. Oh, unless there's another destination, that's right. Okay. So label is main activity. We need to extract the string resource for that. There. Here's our action, which doesn't actually matter because there's no second fragment right now. So for now, can I even do that? Apparently I can. Alright. I'm also really wanting to get rid of these colors, but colors are kind of a nightmare sometimes, so I'm just going to leave them. Theme we're going to leave as well. We don't give a shit right now. So I think the only thing that's not going to compile... Oh, fuck. I want to get rid of the content main. We shouldn't need that at all now. We're just going to make this as simple as possible as like a learning thing. So let's delete our content main. This, everything should be fine. What the fuck does it want? Oh, content description on the fab? We can do that. So content description is for accessibility. So if you have screen readers and someone taps the button, then it'll read what the content description is, which is this property, of the button to the user. So it'll speak it to them if they like can't see well or etc. So content description for this is add button. And then we want to extract that as a string resource. Perfect. And I want to change that probably. Wait, what the fuck's wrong with it? Okay, so it's having a hard time catching up. So that's nice. And we're not going to call this fab because that's stupid. We're going to call this add button fab. Because it's literally a button that lets you add buttons. Haha, great. Okay, why the fuck did they use demand fab margin but they didn't use it here? Fucking idiots. God. Alright. Then there's our toolbar, which should still work appropriately. Here's our fragment. Oh, shit. Do we really need that? I don't think this needs anything. This isn't visible. Why is it fragment? Can I put activity? Shit. Alright, this might become a problem later, but for now, let's get rid of this coordinator layout. So what's the layout we want? Let's look at our diagram real quick. Pretty great. So here's our toolbar. So inside the toolbar is like a grid view. So we could do a grid view. For now, let's make it simpler. We're going to use one of the most simple layouts in Android, which is a linear layout. It's going to say I need orientation. Oh, start tag is wrong closing tag. Now it's going to say I need orientation. Okay. Wrong orientation, no orientation specified. So orientation is linear layout is like a row or a column. It's either. In this case, we want the orientation to be vertical, so elements are going to be stacked on top of each other. So for now, we're just going to have like a column of button after button. I'm really worried about this fragment though. It wants a fragment container view? That's not what I want. I feel like I don't need anything. I feel like that's okay. It's not going to matter until we have a second activity anyway though. Our nav graph isn't doing anything, which is fine. So in here is our data binding. This is so nice. So you inflate the activity main binding, which is what this is. You inflate the layout inflator, which is how you it's how you create the view on the screen, basically. The nice thing about the binding is you can access the elements of the view just by using this binding. So why is my spacing so fucked up? What in the fuck is going on, man? It's better. So you can see fab we got rid of because we replaced it with something else. So the nice thing is now we can access the add fab or add button fab just from the binding. The way that you used to have to do this was you had to say something like binding.findView by ID and then specify the type of the view, so text view for instance, and then you had to find it by the specific ID of that text view. So in this case, like text view 1, stupid, but whatever. No semis in Kotlin. And so you used to have this to grab your views. Kotlin actually added something called synthetic binding, something like that. Synthetics for sure. Kotlin synthetics is basically what people called it, but it was a way that you could use view binding, and then they added it as default in Android Studio, whatever the fuck studio I'm in. 2023-1 patch 2, or possibly before. Anyway, so binding is nice because it builds the binding at compile time, not at runtime, whereas the find view by ID was at runtime. And so if it couldn't find the view, then it would crash. It was really shitty. I can't believe how long they kept that for. Anyway, we have our binding. We have our nav controller, which this finds this, which we should rename actually. Fuck, I don't know how to factory name on Windows. Ugh. Shift F6, alright, cool. I just want to rename this to activity. 3D main, probably. Why does it keep saying fragment? That worries me. I don't know if it matters, but we'll find out. Default nav host tells it that's the default spot. Or the default, this is for the back stack. So when you hit back, it knows where to go. It's using the nav graph, that seems fine. Unless... there's no names here, really. Start destination is correct. Alright, so we'll go with that. So now this is nav host activity main. So this is our nav controller, which means it tells us how to navigate. And you can add that to the app bar configuration right here. So that the back button that shows up every time you navigate forward knows how to navigate backward. So set up action bar with nav controller, pass in the nav controller, pass in the app bar configuration, you're good. The binding, and now we're accessing the add button fab, has an on-click listener. This is the typical way to do buttons in Android. And so it gives you the view, which you usually don't need, really. Like if I pass a null here, it would work just as good. Like it's not a big deal. Unless you're... oh wait, can you not? That changed. Null cannot be... oh, so it has to be non-null apparently. Fuck, dude. Shit. Oh no. Oh, snack bar, that's why. What was the old... toast. Toast did not require that view, but snack bars do. So this is just the context of where it wants to pop up the snack bar. The snack bar is what pops up at the bottom of the screen. We don't want this code, because we don't want to do that when we hit the add button fab. What we want to do, let's look at my diagram real quick. So when we hit the add, we want to pop up this alert dialog. Pop up alert dialog with text views and save button, basically. For new action. Right? That's this alert dialog right here. Right here. Whereas here, okay. So that's what the add button fab is going to do. We don't need to worry about that just yet. I kind of want to hard code some of these on there just to see what it looks like. Create options menu, we're actually going to get rid of. The options menu is the settings triple dot. We don't need that. Support navigate up. Okay, so this is the back button, which that's not going to come up because we aren't using fragments. So I think we can get rid of that as well. Do we have anything we can get rid of? Oh my god, we have so much we can get rid of. Fuck, dude. Alright, let's run this and see if it even runs or compiles. It's my build tab. Nope. Resource linking failed. It's looking for action settings in the menu main. That makes sense. In fact, we should delete that. Let's delete the menu because we don't need that. We don't have a menu. Is there anything in drawable? No, that's it. Let's try that again. Doom, 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 doom. 0 errors. Is it gonna fucking launch or what? God, this is an ugly app, man. Where's my fucking app bar? What the fuck's going on? The app bar is in the pause menu, but it's not in the actual menu. Where the fuck's this app at? What did I call this? That. Assistant helper or something? Come on. Why are you taking so fucking long? Dun, 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 dun. Wow, this is loading forever for some reason. Where is logcat? Something is very unhappy. My one goal in life is to be as sexy as Goblin Butler. You're already there, baby. Don't even worry. Why is this struggling so much? Could not find activity? That's terrifying. Show only selected app. Shit, dude. Main activity has extras from UID. Try to set launch time? Fuck does that mean? Launch timeout expired. Alright, let's kill this. Let's try to launch it one more time. Just a shit ton of messaging. Was disposed without first being removed with the input manager. What the fuck is going on, input channel? What do we have in this fucking app right now, man? So this is the onCreate of the activity, which is specifically an app compat activity, which is the typical activity class that you use for Android right now. So as an app art configuration, we call the super onCreate. We set up the binding, which should be fine. I'm gonna uninstall, reinstall. This is confusing. Fucking, let me drag you, fucking whore. Uninstall. Let's try that one more time. Really weird errors. Because this doesn't do anything. It sets up the binding, which we know the activity main binding exists. Is it... Oh, is it this? Shit. That might be it. We might bring back the content. Oh, now we got problems. Nav host activity main. Because it doesn't exist. Let's get rid of that for now. Just to see if that is the problem. That is the problem. So here's our assistant helper. There's our fab that doesn't do shit, and it's got the wrong icon for sure. In fact, why don't we fix that right now? So, here's our fab. Using Android drawable IC dialog email. So we could use, is there a plus? An add? Input add? Perfect. So that's what we want. This is built in. The Android drawable icons are built in, so you don't have to import them or anything like that. There's no drawable in the folder, it's just built in Android itself. So that's better already. I'm helping. And this is the fucking problem for some reason. There's no activity, just fragment only, huh? Alright, let's see. Yeah. If we put it back into... God, I hate coordinated layout though. This is what we changed. I'm gonna open this up in an actual UI. Do I have get GUI in here? Yeah, good enough. Open existing. God, I got a lot of repos. Oh, this is unbelievably small. I apologize for the size. I know you guys expect better. This is our activity main, nav graph, strings. Those are all fine. It's the content main we probably want to bring back. Can I seriously not? I just want to undo this file. Is there... Our status deleted. We want system helper. I was hoping there would be an easier way to do this. Content main. Is that not gonna work? There we go. So that should be back, but it's not. Cool. Great. Let's wait, what? We're gonna get stash, which is the safe way to handle all this. We're still gonna delete the fragments. So I don't give a shit. Let's delete the fragments. Our nav graph, delete this one for sure. And this we're gonna comment out for now. This is still gonna be main activity. Seriously? Seriously? Got him. And then I don't give a shit. I guess I maybe do. It's fine. First fragment label. So in the strings, we're gonna delete all this again. I don't have the right tools for Git on this machine, unfortunately. Really? Couldn't have pre-populated fucking main activity there, you piece of shit. And then this first fragment's stupid. That doesn't make any sense. It's main activity. Copy that. Man, all the shortcuts are kind of a pain in the ass on this. I'm so used to, you know what? Let's leave that as fab. It's fine. Add button. Extract that out, add button. I'm so used to Mac for development on Android, so this is sad. Very sad. So we'll put all our shit into the content main. But this can probably stay a coordinator layout. Yeah, it's probably fine. Alright, nav graph is fine. Menu we can still delete, because we are not going to use a fucking menu. And this is why I committed everything when it was working. Eh? Yeah. That's right. Let's fucking destroy these tests. Sorry, QA. Haha. Got him. Delete. Let's go back to main activity. That's going to have problems for menu creation. Which we can still get rid of all that shit. Oh shit. We might want to keep this now, but we're just going to comment it out. This action's going to go away. We still need to pop up alert dialog with text views to add button. Everything else I think is right. I don't know why it fucking had a hard time formatting everything. But whatever. Whoops. Optimize imports. Let's try running that. Build successful. We got the same problem we had before. Let's see. Let's see why. The only thing, let's close that up. It's a coordinator layout, which is annoying, but our content main should be, oh shit. So I need to know how the fuck to use the nav host nav graph with activities. So that's what I'm gonna Google. Let's see. Navigation component. Yeah, we don't have another fucking... God, I really wanted to use navigation though. Shit. Damn it. So in the documentation... I don't want to use fragments though. I mean, if I'm using an alert dialog, I don't really need a second activity, but damn it, I wanted to use navigation. It's so sad. Is this only built for fragments? This might only be built for fragments. I might have to use a fragment. Shit. Let's kill that. Okay, well. If we have to use a fragment, we have to use a fragment, right? Fragment first and fragment second. Stash. One more time. Let's get rid of these real quick. What the fuck's the delete button? I'm gonna get rid of some of this and then commit so I don't have to do it over and over and over. Except I already have done it over and over and over. Like menu, for instance, we're definitely not gonna deal with. So let's commit that right now. Moving menu and test, don't tell anyone. Main. Passphrase, of course. Okay. Hold on, this is fucking massive on this other screen, my bad. Okay. So, this fragment though, we only need the, I guess we'll just use the other one instead. So in that case, this is actually gonna navigate to second. Actually, did that have navigation at all? Nope. No. Oh yeah, that'll work. To do. Navigate to setting or add button fragment. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Create options menu is gonna die. Support navigate up is gonna have to be there now. Because that's the actual nav controller details. Which... Can we seriously not find nav? Oops. So nav controller... Whoops. Find nav controller. There we go. Nav host fragment. Content main. Fucking... Can't see the whole completion there. Nav controller dot. And so this is what gives you the navigation details that you care about. So I believe there's one for, let's see. Not that. I want this. Not that. Fuck. This. The nav graph. The action. Which in our case, we're not going to have the same exact action, but it'll be similar. Oh god, that's not what I meant. I think that's it. There we go. What's wrong with that? Name shadowed? Fuck. So we already have a name nav controller? No. Fuck off. Jesus fucking Christ, dude. Ah, okay, yeah. So we might not... This is already getting it. We don't need it. Right? So this is... The navigation is the nav controller calls navigate, and it uses this action to know where to navigate based on the button press. In this case, this is not how this is going to work. This is going to be an activity. It's going to be main activity. Oh, wait. Our first fragment is this. So our first fragment in this case, this is going to be what has our buttons. Let's get rid of all this shit. And let's rename this as well while we're here. This is going to be our home fragment. It's still called fragment first, which is fucking dumb, but whatever. Home fragment. Oh, it's still called fragment first, damn it. Oh, strings, let's fuck these. Back here. Where the fuck was I? There we go. Home fragment. Extract string. Thanks for auto-completing, you piece of shit. Let's rename this file while we're here. And it should be a fucking linear layout. I don't give a shit, dude. Nothing in it yet. We're gonna add things programmatically to it, which means I have to have an ID for it. We might be able to get it a different way, actually. Home fragment binding is what we need. So this is how we set up the data binding between UI components. Hi, don't give me that shit. And then put this here, and then fuck off. On create view, this is, I need to change this everywhere apparently. Jesus. Oh hell. What is it? Control Alt J, or is it just Alt J? Is it Control J? There's no other instance? Never mind. Okay, whatever, doesn't matter. There is no button right now. So in the case of this, we might not actually need that. No, wait, we do need that. The fab is gonna navigate to this page. This is the fab. This has the fab on it. Okay. So this binding doesn't have a fab yet. So we're inflating this home fragment. Okay. So where's our activity? We can rip this out. And we're gonna move the fab to the first fragment. Where the hell is our activity main? This is our activity main, this is our fab, look at that. Let's add our content description a third time. Extract that out, perfect. Let's see, where is our home, or our first fragment? That fragment. And then our second fragment will be the other one. That is not what I wanted. This is what I wanted. So this is inflating it. On view created is where we want to do that. Perfect. And then we want to steal this fab from the activity main. Go to the content main. And then we want to add it down here. Not quite right, but that's fine. What is the layout it was in before? It's a fucking coordinator layout. What the fuck's the problem then? This view is not constrained? Why don't you go fucking die? How about that? What is this inflating? The home fragment, not the content main. I put it in the wrong place. Rip. Nope, don't want that. Okay, so this is fine how it is. The home fragment is where we wanted that. Jesus, man. Can we zoom out for God's sake? Okay, so it's not in the right spot, but that's okay. I think that's because the main activity has... Oh, it's a coordinator layout. Fuck, coordinator layout. Oh. Let's make this a little more readable real quick. There is no fucking nav controller. God, Jesus Christ, dude. All right, we're scrapping this. All right, we're deleting this. We're not gonna use navigation right now. It's just too much. You guys are feeding me too much alcohol. That's what I'm blaming it on. So we don't even need a fucking nav controller now. Which is, it doesn't matter. We don't have a home fragment anymore because we're just gonna be activity based. I think that navigation library requires fragments though, which is interesting. In fact, I might be able to use that. We'd have to set up a shit ton in our nav graph though. That'd be overkill for activity. Oh, this doesn't exist. That would be overkill for a legacy app, which is what I was thinking. Like if I could implement this, if I could implement navigation library into the current app that I work on, that would be really interesting. But I don't think that would be, I mean, that would be a fuck ton of work with maybe not a lot of advantage to it, but I don't know for sure. Alright, we got a much simpler structure now. God, this is just such a simple app. Like I was trying to make it some overkill when really I just want a fucking alert dialog, you know? So I don't need that either. What I do want is a goddamn floating... I don't know which one of these is the right one. Material floating action button versus extended floating action button. Okay. Wrap content, wrap content. Let's look at our fucking music real quick. Shit, can I not play Void either? Shit, dude, I don't know what I can play, man. Shit. Oh wait, he has it on his website, right? Or Bandcamp. Streamer safe. Mori. Hell yeah. I'm gonna play some Mori. Let's go back to Get GUI though. Just because this will be a little quicker. No. Fragment, no, it was our... Where was the floating action button? Right there. It's gonna grab the minuses, unfortunately. It'll still save time in the long run. Beautiful. Although, it's too far indented. Perfect. Alright. So we got our floating action. Jesus Christ. Add. Okay. We're good there. Let's zoom out so we can see it. Let's run this and see where we're at. I think it'll still... No, it might be... Oh, shit. Second fragment not found. Because we have an action, we do not need an action. Now it should compile. Content main. We don't need a nav controller anymore. We still want a toolbar though. Even though I don't think we need the toolbar really, but whatever. Hey, build successful. Let's kill this. Pull this up. Oh man. Oh my god, what the fuck's going on? My phone is unresponsive. Can I ADB kill server? Shit, dude, what the fuck? I cannot unplug it. It kills the stream if I unplug a USB device. Fucking hell, man. Come on. This is fucking horseshit, dude. God damn it to hell, man. Alright, well, it's there. How do I kill a package? That's what I need. ADB shell AM. Force stop com dot. What's my package name? Assistant helper. Can't find service activity. Interesting. Oh, whoops. Woo! That was scary. That was fucking terrifying, but we're good, we're good. Let's try running that again. Jesus Christ. Are you fucking kidding? What's the deal? What's the fucking problem, man? Oh, okay, it's up. Ah, fucking hell, Visor, you fucking garbage. Hold, please. Alright, there we go. We're in a working state. This doesn't do shit because we're not accessing it, but it's fine. Let's commit. Moving fragments. Passphrase, of course. Alright, let's kill that. Now we're gonna actually do shit. Let's add this content description one more time. So we need to access our fab from the binding. Set on click listener. And our onClick listener wants to create an alert dialog. This is Kotlin? Yeah. Can we just do this in place? God, I never remember how to do this. Why don't they make it easy, huh? Kotlin alert dialog. Let's see, dialog builder. Builder this. Dot. There we go. Set title. Oops. Add assistant action. Set message. I don't need a message. We want to set the layout. How do I set a custom fucking layout? View, that's what I wanted. There it is. In the builder. Down layout dot. Let's see, we're gonna call this the add button layout. We don't need that. In fact, we don't really need that either then. Oh, wait, what? That's not right. What is this fucker trying to tell me? Set view? I think all I need is set view. What did I call this a second ago? Add button layout. So we want to set the view as the add button layout. That's all that we really should need. Don't we have to show this? Or am I thinking of call create? Something like that? No, we have to say show. Show. Not on the builder. Huh, maybe so. So we need an add button layout. So let's add a new layout file. Call it add button layout. Definitely not a constraint layout, but we're gonna edit that after the fact. Oh, for fuck's sake, stop asking. Not a constraint. Okay, bye. Jesus. So we want a... what is this gonna look like? Let's look back at our diagram here. Whoops, I didn't mean to kill that many tabs. So from the looks of it, it's gonna be a linear layout vertical with nested layouts. Just as a simple example. Very nice. So inside it, we're gonna have text view, sorry. No, an edit text. Jesus Christ. Width is probably gonna be match and wrap. Is there hint text? This is gonna be title. What does it want? Autofill hints. Input type. We don't really care. I definitely hit enter twice, but it chose to do it early. Whatever. Description? I don't think we need a description, do we? I think we just need a title. This might be a... Oh, this is still an edit text. God, I got... What's it called? Flutter on the brain. This is going to be the command. Command text. Perfect. This is going to be like 3 lines, maybe? And apparently it doesn't have a hint if it's 3 lines. Fuck if I know. Let's see what happens when we try it. Color. There we go. This is gonna be a edit text. God damn it! Why did I do that? Why didn't I just copy this? Okay. The hint is gonna be color. X. X color. Go fuck yourself, man. These all need IDs, unfortunately. This is the title edit text. I'm gonna copy that down. And this is going to be the command edit text. This is gonna be the color edit text. Shit. Fuck. Got him. So that's our hex color. I don't know why this isn't showing up here. This is a linear line. Oh, orientation. Vertical. There we fucking go. Huh? Eh? Oh shit. Can we center these? And then we want margin, sorry. Horizontal margin. 16 dips, maybe? 24, maybe? That's better. Pretty. This is all showing up on an alert dialog, so this is probably okay. So that means this height should be wrap. Beautiful. What does it want with these edit texts? Autofill hints. I don't want that. I don't want input type either. And then we need a save button, I think. Might as well use a material button. We're gonna match with and wrap. Text. This is gonna be save. This needs an ID. Oops. Fuck. Save button. And we probably want some margin above this. I don't know. Doesn't matter really. Not a lot. 24? Let's go 24. That has an ID, so save button ID. Cool. So now, in here, we can access those things here. Beautiful. I think I need to inflate that previously though. And that has to have a binding, a data binding, yeah? How do we do the data binding activity main? Not in here. That's fucking weird, man. Well, we have a layout inflator. add button layout. What's it mad about? Need It's not inside the activity main binding. One sec. So we're not going to get a lot of the benefits of this because it's in a separate layout. I think that's okay though. Huh? Why does it want... What's the other parameter that it wants? It has the int, it needs a view group. Do I have to do that? Fuck. I think it automatically attaches it though, and I don't want that. Oh, okay, well it can't do that anyway, so that's good. From context. I kind of want attached to root to be false though. Well, is that non-null? Yeah, we can do it, so whatever. Add button layout equals that. Use add button layout right here. The reason why is because we need to access the things on this when we call the save button. Ah, fuck, do we have to find view by ID? I don't want to. Fuck, man. Edit text. What did I call it? A lot of things. Command, color. There's probably a better way to actually do this. These are accessible. I think that's fine. So dialog alert button set on click listener. We want to get title, command, color. So okay, that brings us to a good spot actually. Title, command, and color, and we want to save that to shared prefs. And so here we have our on create, but we want it on resume. On resume is a lifecycle method. Fuck. I don't know if that's the right one or not. That is. So what happens in on resume happened last in the lifecycle of creating the view. Let's see, am I missing anything? No, I think we're good. So here is where we want to load from shared prefs. Which when we load from shared prefs, in fact I might as well make that a method. Just call it load data. Private fun load data. This will get from shared prefs. Create buttons from data. And that's what'll actually load the data. We can do this part later, we can do this part now. Alright, so this will get those elements. Although that's not going to exist yet. No, it will. We're inflating it first. This is the title edit text. This is the command edit text. This is the color edit text. I need to add one more method for sure. Invoke Assistant. Now I have some code that I just need to plug into here. That's gonna take a command, which is a string. There we go. Holy fucking god. Okay, take your time. Require context. What? Don't need that. So the way that this works, hopefully, and this is the code I haven't tested, is this Google quick search box with a search activity is supposedly what it's using to actually call the Google Assistant. And so this command gets passed into the extra parameter of the intent as the query. And then you just start it. And it's supposed to call out with this command as text to the Google Assistant. So that'll be interesting to see if that fucking works. And then the action of each of the buttons is going to actually call Invoke Assistant based on the command. Let's see, I can do this as well. Let's move this. That's fine where it is. Jesus Christ, where did I get so many fucking extra lines? So here, when we hit the save, we need a model object. Let's create a new package. Call it model. Create a new Kotlin. It's actually going to be a data class, but we're going to call it Assistant Action Detail. I think it does a KT by default. It's a data class. What the fuck is it being weird about? Val title is a string. I gotta remember how to do. I don't think that's it. There's something special about data classes that I can't remember. We don't get to use them a lot, which is really unfortunate. Oh, that's it. Yeah, it's in the constructor. Delete. That's it. In fact, I think I can get rid of that, maybe? We'll see. Title is a string. Command. It's a string. Val color is a string. I think that's all I have to do. And so here we want to create a new one of those. Assistant action detail with the title edit text dot. I think you have to call. It's like not a string though. You have to call get text maybe. No, you have to call toString, which is kind of dumb, but that's how edit text work. Let's do this. Excuse me? What the fuck? What the fuck is going on, man? Command edit text dot text dot toString. This is color edit text dot text dot toString. Okay. Now we have an object, and this we're going to save to shared prefs. For now, we're just gonna create a button with it and add it to our content view. So we need a button. material button, probably. Which takes a context, which is this button. Set background color is going to be our action detail dot color, which is a string, so that's not going to parse quite right. Oh, it wants a resource as well. Let's see. I think we can say new color, or not new, because this is Kotlin. Whoops. Shit. Come on. Give me what I want. That's not happy about that either, actually. Fuck. Hold on 1 second. Set background color, Android hex value. There we go. Ah, I see. Oh, whoops. I want most of that. Get color back. Excuse me? That's not right. That is not right. What the fuck? What, Java AWT color? I just want color to parse color then. Holy shit. Fucking let me import it. Thank you. So that sets background color. This is a button, so I need the action. Wait. Title. It's just text. Action detail dot title. Button dot set on click listener. That one. This is gonna be Invoke Assistant with the command. Action detail dot command. So that gives us the button, and then we need to add it to our binding root. Should be interesting to see what this turns out as. And I assume that this parse, I don't know, does it expect a number sign? I don't know. We have add button in there twice. Look at that. Let's run it. Does it crash? No? Okay. Fuck, I don't have a really good way to test this. Directions to home. I guess maybe we don't even need a title? This is just gonna search, isn't it? I want it specifically for assistant, yeah? Whoops. Let's try it. Fuck! Alright, let's go to logcat and see our error. Unknown color, yeah. Fuck. Should have guessed. For now, let's just, do this. Cyan. We can figure out the color parsing later. I kinda want to see if this invoke code works. Test. Command text is directions to. This is maybe sketchy. I don't think I want to do that. And really, I want something that's more related to actual Google Assistant, but I don't use it a whole lot. Let's see, set a timer for 30 seconds. That's probably safer. This doesn't matter now because it's just gonna set it as I expect it. Oh, I'm not dismissing that either. Shit. And it didn't look like it added it to the... That's weird. This is the alert dialog, yes. Hold on, I don't need that. Don't need that, yeah, okay. So this is the alert dialog, click listener. We want to this.dismiss. Excuse me? Wait, what? Where are we showing? That's the click listener for the save button. So I need... Where the fuck are we making our fucking alert dialog? Right there. I need a reference to this. M dialogue, maybe. That's fine. Oh my fucking god, that's not what I wanted. So this is gonna be a private late init var, M dialogue, alert dialogue. Oh shit, that doesn't return it. It's a builder. And then in this case, it'd be mdialog.dismiss. Hold on. Hold on. Where the fuck is our alert dialog? The save button is so detached from everything. Let's minimize most of this. So we can't actually... This should be separate. No? Jesus Christ, alright, fuck off. Fuck off for 5 seconds, please. Alright. The dialog builder is the builder with this context, setting everything, and then... Oh, that's the problem, okay. So I do want to create, but now it's a type mismatch, I think. Now I should be able to dismiss it. Hopefully. And then we're showing it. Okay, that might be better. Test. This is gonna be set a timer for 20 seconds, whatever, doesn't matter. Hex color doesn't fucking matter. In fact, leave it empty. So it dismisses, but it's not adding our button to the view for some reason. Which is really strange. Let's see, is there something specific with view binding? I just want to add view. Binding root.add view. Binding inflate, that's not what I'm... Just call add view? Wait, are you serious? Yeah, I didn't think so. I have a button, for fuck's sake. There's text and an action listener. Do I have to inflate it? That doesn't make sense. I don't have a layout. It's just a built-in view. Add views closely associated with val binding. Use also init. You can argue that add view is really a side effect and should be using the init section. Hold on. Add view to binding root. Oh shit, that was all Mori. We did it. Oh no. Oh no. What else can we stream? Electric elevator. Fuck yeah, let's go. Let's see. Content view. Can I access the content view? Can't even get the content view. So good. That's already there. Why can't I access the fucking content view, man? Why can't I add view to the goddamn binding? Straight on the binding? No, I didn't think so. That's the coordinator layout. Let's go to our activity main. Why does it keep doing that? God. The app bar layout I don't give a fuck about. This doesn't have an ID. I should probably just put up linear layout in here. Match parent rat. No. Match. We're gonna say orientation is vertical. And we need this to have an ID. Content layout. It's not gonna, oh well, look at it. Add view button. Let's try that. Seconds. Save. Fuck you, man. That could be a problem with my content layout, but I doubt it. What if I do this? Just to see how it looks. Wrap. Oh, you see that? Doesn't even show up. Huh. I think our layout details are gonna have to change. Yep. Ah, fuck. Coordinator layout. Fuck, I really would like this to be like a relative layout instead. And then I'll have to move that down later, but this should at least... let's see, I gotta move the fab down. Ah, fuck. fucking, how do you use gravity in relative layout? This is just gravity. Gravity's a bitch, man. Oh, it's a line parent. I thought it was center and parent or something like that. Over here. Align parent bottom, true. Line parent right, true. There we go. Oh, it should be end. What? Censor language, are you crazy? Doing it now. It's so difficult when you guys do that to me. I'm just so sad. How am I supposed to express myself? I feel that. Especially if I'm programming, like, come on. So if I say center in parent, or not, if I say center in parent, true. Stepson that's 3 tells me not to swear. Yeah, I'm sure you listen to him as well, right? Okay, the height is wrong. This is a relative layout though, so what's the deal? I should be able to just get rid of this then. That might be all the difference I need, except I need layout params for the button. I'm the adult. Ding, ding. So if I set layout params on this, layout params equals set layout params programmatically. It's always so tricky to remember all of this, you know? I don't need all of that actually. View group.layout params. Import that, don't need that. Alright, do that to make it a little easier to read. I don't care about that necessarily. It's probably fine. What I really care about is gravity. How do I set gravity programmatically? What? Oh man, I got 2.5 minutes. Set gravity programmatically. That's what I need. What? It's literally just gravity? I don't even need that then. No way. What is it? Center? Is that enough? Is that enough? Whoops. Well. You must call remove you on the child's parent first. Specified child already has a parent. I've seen that before. I think I'm okay to just continue though. Set timer for 20 seconds. Where is my freaking button? Is that it? Man, making components... Oh, that's the problem. It's because it's in a relative layout. Center in parent programmatically. There it is. Come on. Layout params. Add rule. goodness. Goodness. Layout params. View group. Wait, no. Relative layout. Layout params. Relative layout. Wait, what? Where am I at? Oh man. Get layout params. Oh, I see. Hold on. Var layout params equals binding dot root dot get layout params. Now, wait, that's not right, is it? Where's the button in this? Oh, okay. Button layout params. Oh, thank fucking God. Jeez fucking Christ, dude. Oh my fucking God, okay. Layout params, I'll add rule. Oh, you can fuck right off with that shit. Layout. Params. Oh, this is Kotlin. Don't need those either. Add rule, motherfuckers. Let's go. Relative layout dot center in parent. Relative layout dot true. So we set that to true, and then on the this is val, isn't it? No, it's not val. It's fucking var. What do you mean? And then on the button we layout params equals layout params. Why would that not be a var? I'm literally altering. Oh, I'm adding to it. So maybe that's okay. Okay, hang on. Set timer for 20 seconds. Save. Okay, cool. We're getting somewhere. Null cannot be cast in non-null type relative layout parameters. Shit. So this button doesn't have layout parameters. Okay, that's fine. So I can just create new ones. Equals relative layout dot layout params. View group dot. Have a good one, man. I'm off to bed. I got renovations due tomorrow. Yeah, no worries, man. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it, dude. Have a good night, man. Let's see. Also, you sent your own house in your DMs. Nice. Our house. Oh, I gotcha. Yeah, I saw the DM. I just haven't had a chance to look at it, man. Possible backend? Interesting. I do love backend, dude. Thanks for looking out, dude. I want match. Fuck. I think it's layout params. Dot match parent. Although I want it to be wrapped. The problem is this is not gonna be right then. Fuck God, man. Where is... This guy literally said that it was completely untested. Fuck you. It's the holder's layout params. I thought so. That was fucking weird. So it should be the binding root layout params as relative layout dot layout params. Duh. Although that doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Oh, wait. Maybe this should be a button then. Hold on. That's gonna fail to cast though. It's always so tricky when you're dealing with customizing the layout programmatically. And by tricky, I mean shitty. Yeah, it's just gonna crash over and over. Who the fuck is calling me? Don't you fucking dare call me. Null, this is null. Let's attach. It's definitely null. Why don't we just make this a linear layout really quick, just to test. Now our fab is fucking gone, so that's great. That is great. Need an orientation. Vertical. There's our fab. This should just place it. Nothing overlaps in a linear layout. So this should just... Oh, this is gonna fucking fail anyway though. Hold on. Binding root add view button. Run that again. There's a button. Yeah, buddy, let's turn off this shit. We make it pretty later, right? Shit. Specified child already has a parent. What child is it looking for? Yeah, where? The dialogue? Okay, that's really odd. Let's try it with something real. Set a timer for 20 seconds. Sacor, you piece of shit, you're not even fucking here? You sick fuck. I don't have any actual integrations on this, so it's hard to test. Damn it, yeah, I don't know how to test this. It's not gonna be easy. Shit. I mean, it works though. Presumably it would work with like a custom action. I don't have like any custom actions though. I don't think I have any custom assistant actions at all. Like with my setup. Because I don't need any. Do I have a turn on the TV or anything like that? I'm not sure. Well, some obvious errors that are not so obvious to figure out. Because I'm trying to show it, but it already is there, maybe. So what if I do... It's not nullable. But now it is. Oops, now it is. It's gonna be dismissible if this opens at all. It's gonna be showable, we're creating it right here. Let's try that real quick. Still? That is really weird. I'm not calling add view. I'm just setting the view. Okay, so that's interesting. I don't know. I don't know about that. Let's undo what we had though, because that's overkill. Leave that. I don't like the style of the buttons, but for functionality's sake, it would certainly work. I hate that this is a linear layout, but it's not setting the buttons in the right spot for sure. So I need a smaller container. Oh, you know what? That would probably be fine. Fuck. So if I make this a relative layout again, that's happy again, which I'm happy about. And then if I have in between the app bar layout, which has an ID, yeah? The toolbar has an ID. So if I make a linear layout here, or even better, a grid layout here, which width is going to be match, probably match, but I'm gonna need margin top. Oh, no, it's gonna be below. Toolbar. Can't? This needs a fucking ID. App bar layout. Because this is a sibling. So now this has... So it's below the layout. Wait. How tall is that? Okay, that's perfect, yeah. And then I need to set up the grid, which I cannot remember how to do. Rows? Row count? I'm thinking... Does that even matter? I want column count, too. Because then it'll start adding in the buttons. So let's see if I can just add a couple buttons just to see what it looks like. So if I... Jesus Christ, are we done with that shit too? Alright, let's fucking go back to Forever Nothing one more time. And then we'll probably call it by the time that's over anyway, so... That'll be alright. So... It'll just create two... Is it Alt J? Hey, look at that shit. And then it'll just add both of them. Oh, it's not even root though. Doesn't have an ID. Grid layout. Better. Nice. Button 2. Do that. Does that not delete the whole fucking row? Bullshit, man. Bullshit. How do people use Windows, man? Fuck Windows. So now we'll create two buttons and they should be side by side. I'm definitely gonna have to do something with the layout parameters though, I think. And they should have the same title and same command. Sacons. Almost. I need spacing? How do you space a grid layout? Evenly. Alignment mode probably. And then padding, look at that. 4 dips, alignments, oh, align bounds. Is that right? Let's try it. I really don't know. And we're not saving the data, unfortunately, so we're gonna have to add it every time, but we can add it like that. Fuck you! I don't want to use a support library though. Center horizontal, that's probably it. I mean, yeah, I only want 2 columns. God, I just want it to stretch the size, or at least the spacing. Button inside, layout height. Oh, is that why? Height and width 0. Layout gravity fill. Holy fuck. So we have to alter the layout parameters of the buttons that we're creating programmatically. For sure. Yeah. Fuck. Dot? Oh shit. Wait. What is it? Gravity? Let's just do this real quick. Set layout param gravity programmatic. Oh, here we go. Oh my fucking god, dude. I love whoever this person is. It's actually grid layout, buddy. This isn't gonna work. It's layout gravity? Gravity. Dot fill. I don't know if that's gonna fucking work though. What is the apply hitting? This should be on the button. Maybe. Oh, let's fucking try. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. Forgot the other button. Obviously, this will do it programmatically going forward, so I won't have two buttons. Just want to see how it fits. Not well. Oh, and it's blank because I didn't say anything, of course. Why would it not? Jesus fucking Christ. What if we center? That might help. It still only has the one. I'm gonna have to fuck around with the layout parameters a lot. For now, I'm just gonna comment them out. Let's run this one more. It's still adding both buttons, which is dumb, but it's just for testing purposes. It doesn't do shit. Alright. I think we're on the right track for sure. I'm gonna commit what I've got. Buttons calling out to Google Assistant. Git push origin main. Put in my password, which is AB_C123. Of course. What other password would anyone use? Duh. So we are pretty fucking close, actually. Pretty fucking close. All we have to do is figure out the layout parameters and whatever the fuck the deal is with that dialogue. And I think it's because we're accessing the same view over and over instead of inflating it over and over. Because we only inflate it once. Which, I mean, we could test that out really quick and easy, right? Not quick nor easy. Fuck. Unless... This seems so wrong at this point, though. Let's try it. It fucking worked! Because we were accessing the damn thing too many times. Alright, well, let's get rid of that second button because it's fucking dumb. Let's just get rid of that for now. If this works, I'll get rid of the button too, because we shouldn't need that. Shut the fuck up, Android Studio, you piece of fucking shit. Alright. So it should add one, and then it should add one next to it. Then it should add one down below. Perfect. So it's literally just the layout parameters of the grid layout that we can worry about later. Oh, I still need to fix this. Let's put some to-dos. Fix background color parsing. Save to shared prefs, yep. When we save to shared prefs, we'll want to call load data. Call load data. Because that's what's going to actually generate the buttons based on the shared prefs. Which is maybe a little bit of overhead for this, but I think that's okay. Fix the background color parsing. We need to invoke the assistant, which it's working great, actually. I need to set the... Oh, wait! Is that just on this grid layout? Fucking... hold on one sec. Android grid layout. Give you an example, we'll give it to us. Bow, bow. Bow, 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 bow. Okay, spacing. The alignment of margins and boundaries, column count, column order preserved, that's fine. Use default margins. That's, what a shitty example. Layout. Take up space. How to stretch all children evenly? Fuck yeah, that's the question I want. Grid layout. Let's see, width is match parent. Height is wrap content. That's probably better, actually. Center horizontal true, which I've got. Padding, I've got. Oh, fuck, dude. Oh, that's the support library. Shit. Oh. Uh-oh. Ah, fuck, I can't use the support library, can I? I'd have to pull it in. Android X has to have a solution for this, right? There's no app compact grid layout? What's the Android X style grid layout? Android X grid layout? That's it? What? Fuck. It's a dependency. So dependencies go in our Gradle. And you have to sync it. That basically pulls down the code that you need. It's not happy. Not happy. So then this would be grid. Grid. Are you shitting me? Should have an XML namespace. Fuck, what's the fucking namespace? That's not right either. What the shit, dude? Where is it? It's like tools. Fucking go. Oh, hold on. Namespace. It's a schema. What the fuck's a schema? Oh, for fuck's sake. I don't want support library. Fuck off. It has to have a fucking schema. That's fucking bullshit. What is the deal, man? What is the fucking error exactly? Namespace grid is not bound. Android X grid layout. Oh, you know what? What is Android X? Well, fuck then. Namespace grid is not bound. I think it was namespace. Yeah. Tools attribute reference. That's what? What the fuck? Why? I want grid layout attribute reference. Reference. Oh my fucking god, man. What is the deal? Give me a full fucking example, somebody. There it is. Oh my god, it's seriously just res auto. Oh my fucking hell. Why? Why is that? Why? 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 Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Everyone calm down. Nothing matters. These default margins I don't care about. Alignment mode I do care about. It seems like inside... Oh, here we go. Layout gravity fill for the internal components. For this, I don't think it's gonna matter. What? Jesus, fuck you. Why isn't the padding fucking working either? This grid layout's a piece of shit, man. Because I don't know how to use it. Center horizontal true. Layouts are, let's see, alignment mode, column count. Column and row weights. On the internal component as a column and a weight. Okay, so set column weight programmatically. Solution, that's what I fucking want. Let's go back here. So here's our button, right? Or we add it. Yes, convert that shit. Param. It's a layout params apparently. Shit, it's a grid layout params. Beautiful. The view is button. Let's do access syntax. Wait, what the fuck? Undefined? What? Why? Why does it have that twice too? What the fuck? If this works, I'm just gonna be annoyed. It didn't work anyway. Why is it fucking undefined? What the fuck? It should be... What in the fuck is going on? Obviously it shouldn't be undefined. What the fuck are we trying to alter now? I don't even remember. We want to set the weight. Column weight, yeah. What the fuck? Undefined. Jesus, this is like messy as fucking hell, dude. Grid layout.fill. Why does it have 2? Oh shit, I just got it. Hold on. Grid layout.fill. Wait. Oh, that needs a comma, obviously. Alright. Param.height equals 0. Oops. Param.width equals 0. That makes more sense. So we'll see. Nope, doesn't do shit. Maybe those are the problem. The fill made sense. Nope, that didn't work either. Jesus fucking Christ, man. Invoke spec, undefined 1. Oh, actually, this might be interesting next. We'll try this one next. So if this is just a flat out layout params. It's a grid layout param. What does this param have? Oh, look at that. It's lower R. Excuse me? It's just spec. And then this is all caps undefined. I see. That makes a lot more sense than the first thing there. This still isn't working. I'm setting this on the wrong thing, maybe? The view layout parameters equals params. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know. This is kind of a bitch. Is that what it's telling me to do? I can set that in the XML. Yeah, that's not gonna work. We're on the right track. There's just a lot of misleading examples here. Like the column weight is what we want to set, and the row weight to 1. But the layout height and width need to change as well, because we're changing the weight. Hold on. Hey, what's up, Senator? What's going on, man? Just want to say hi. Thanks for stopping by, dude. I appreciate that. Ram.width maybe? At a wedding, you know how much I love social gatherings? Oh, you love them, alright, dude. Think I don't know? That sucks, man. I'm really sorry. Sorry for your loss. Damn it. Not quite right, and not quite right. Seems like the center should do it. Like, what the hell? Or it should just all be in the grid layout. I don't understand. Let's just to do this. I'm going on 3 hours, so I'll probably cut it now. I need to rework layout params to evenly space buttons. It is working though, and that's what's interesting, so. The on resume is going to call into shared prefs when shared prefs is accessing it. Okay, that's probably good enough for now. I'm just going to commit this real quick. Add all. Commit. tinkering with grid layout params. Put in my password abcaptainc123. Right. Yeah, we're gonna call it there. Thanks everybody for watching. I really appreciate it. Made some decent progress actually. It works, so it's technically usable. It's ugly as fuck, but it's usable. And really, that's all that matters, right? Hey dude, thanks for the stream. Yeah, dude. It works if you want to build, but it's ugly, so... Or at least I think it works. Actually, it would be good to send you a build so you could test it, actually, so... But we can talk about that after. Wow, thank you for that, Cloud Mazda. I really appreciate that. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot to take in. Anyway. Next stream is gonna be tomorrow morning, so get fucked. Let me confirm that right quick. Yeah, we're gonna stream Golden Sun tomorrow morning, so got him. Okay, let's see if I can, is that everything? Who the fuck called me earlier? What the fuck's that about? Oh shit, I have a package outside. Oh shit. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Anyway, thanks guys, and I will see everybody tomorrow when I stream tomorrow morning. It's gonna be pretty fucking cool. Hang on one sec, let me check this shit real quick. Yeah, we're good, we're good. Alright, thanks everybody. We will see everybody tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.
So